Check this out, party people. My electric came back on. I'm so happy. But look, this is the end of this. Wait till you've seen all my videos. Look at this shit. This pouring down rain right now. Oh, remember I was showing you this. That's what was sitting there, man. A bunch of rain was coming. It didn't look like this. Look. It's phenomenal, people. Check this shit out. It's like, what in the world is going on here? I didn't think I was going to have any more rain. Ooh, there's a dude in the firecrackers. Check it out. It's going to rain harder. Oh, look, it's clear over here. But not at my boat. We got rain, 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 ho, ho. Ho, ho, rain, 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 ho. Rain, ho, rain, ho. There's rain, ho. There's rain, ho. It's firecracky, rainy, ho. Firecracky, rainy, ho. No way, dude. This is crazy shit. Look. It should be clear, look. It is freaking raining. It's no friggin' way. No. You can't tell me. Here. It's pouring out here, dudes. This is killing me. Screw it. Now my electric's on. What the heck is going on? Look. Here you go, party people. Look at this. I still remember what I was just showing you before? I didn't like it. Guess it was a system coming together. So whoever's going north, it's going north. Beware, dude. It's a system. It's gonna slam you, dudes. You're going up north, north in Ohio, anywhere up north, northwest, northeast. I mean northeast, or southeast. I don't know, whatever. But look, holy shit balls, people. Oh my. This is some crazy freaking stuff. Capture. Oh man, there we go. Oh, come on. Jeez, I can get this to come out right. I need to go like this first. There we go. There we go. That's what I need to do. Dude, it's gonna freak. Look, wait, hold on. Let me back over here. It's pouring down rain. I gotta get back in before I get soaked. What the hell, people? This is what it's been doing. Off and on, people. Woo! This is some crazy shit. Look. That's what we were standing in, people. And this shouldn't be raining as hard. It's about to end, I think. Look at this shit above me. Some crazy ass shit. I didn't think it was gonna keep raining. This is crazy. Ow. This is some crazy stuff. It's only raining really hard on this side. So to the south, it's going north, south. It's going what? Coming up from the west. So it's going from west to northeast. Yeah, kind of northeast to south. Yeah, I think due south is going to be it too.